Hi, my name is Brandon Yost with the Law Offices of Kevin Jensen. When a client is going through a custody battle or a divorce, oftentimes they come into my office and they're looking for action right now. And as anybody who's been through the court process in Arizona knows, the courts just do not work quickly enough. You come in, you file for divorce, or you file to establish legal decision-making and parenting time rights, and you may not get a trial for 6-7 months, sometimes even longer. Oftentimes, people cannot wait that long. Nobody wants to go 6-7 months without seeing their children or without being with their children regularly enough. Also, sometimes it's necessary to get child support going more quickly than waiting 7 or 8 months, because people have to live between now and when you can ultimately get into the case for trial. So sometimes it's important to request what's called a temporary orders hearing. And what that is an early hearing where you can go before a judge and you can put on evidence, but it's usually in a smaller amount of time. Typically you get an hour or less for this hearing, but the judge can get you in within approximately a month's time, which still seems like a lot, but it's much better than 6-7 months or 12 months down the road for the full trial. You can get in, you can put on some evidence. You're not putting on the entire case, but you're putting on enough evidence so the judge can make a ruling for you and for your children that's going to apply between that point in time and when the orders are changed, either at the final trial or, if necessary, even a follow-up temporary orders hearing. Because it's only an hour hearing, there's less time to put on the case, and we're going to need less exhibits and fewer witnesses to come in and testify on your behalf. Simply, we cannot fit everybody we would in a final trial in a short 1-hour hearing. Well, the benefit of that is that it's not going to take us as much time to get things prepared, so we can get going on it much quicker, and we don't have to wait as long for the court. So if you're in a situation in which you need some relief right away, but you know that you can't wait for the trial, and you know that you can't work it out with your soon-to-be ex or your existing ex, come and see us and we can discuss different options like a temporary orders hearing, or perhaps an early settlement conference, or even negotiating through informal mediation, because sometimes you just cannot wait for a final trial, and a temporary orders hearing may be the best for you. Please come on in. We offer a brief consultation where you can sit down with one of our attorneys and we'll discuss it with you, look at your specific situation, and make sure we're giving you the advice so that we can know what best to do for you. Thank you.